shit, no gun. Let me pop my shit, let me pop my shit. I took them cheap prices up high. I'm really the biggest homie you got. I fuck a rapper bitch in a whip. Ride a verse, give a little clap. Tiptoe, fucking this bitch on the marble. I got real cocaine on my collar. She a nympho, Benzo. Bitches hit the lotto. Put the yellow diamond on the black bitch. Call her mulatto. Bitch rank 19 for the Duke. Like Moscato, she the butt nigga true. And this bitch swallow. Took a whole month from the day I met her and spent $1 million. I just made her ex pissed off. All this shit I bought. I got a habit taking chicks off. Going up the mall. I drink lean, but I'm a big dog. So I bought the bar. Dick her down till her body start shaking. She in shock. I talk drugs, I talk diamonds, I talk money. I shall law. Give you cake, happy birthday. I'ma fuck her raw. That's my bitch, I'm throwing a roll in. On her turn her baddie to a boss overnight. She'll star. My little bitch hitting them licks every day. Credit card. Whoa, I'm in the deep end, swimming with the shark. Whoa, I'm a beast, letting these freaks suck my car. My bitch staying down with me, shooting stars, dog. I take sticks with me, I take killers where I go. About to go count a meal ticket to my wrist lock. Fuck another check up every time we leave the store. Pop so many tags, I forgot how many cars I got. Wrap the soldier red round the gun, hood beat. Gonna throw your gang sign up if that's what you are. If I fucked her more than one time, that shit him for something. That shit him for something.